anyone do the hill cutting, the Talati will be the responsible. How you look at this?
See, Talati holding Talati is one responsible, but this is a nexus between politicians. This cannot happen without the connection of politicians. Politicians are promoting this. First of all, he should take action on politicians who are promoting this. Hill cutting cannot happen. It might be the sarpanch, it might be elected members. How many politicians are involved in this real estate? How many are involved in changing their zones? How many are involved in this TCP? So this is basically आम्ही highlight केलेले. हिंगा जाय ते opening batsmen आशिल्ले to make this during this BJP government. This opening batsmen वर तेंका तेमी bold केले. थोडे open close घराको आहे. So if you look, the amount, the biggest thing is alienation of Goa's lands, and we need to protect this. Special status दितले म्हणून प्रधानमंत्रीन सांगलेले आमका 2014 what happened to that? Instead of that, हे सगळे शर्मा वर्मा आनी इंगेली ही सगळी कर्मा हे बंद जावपाक जाय. बंद जाल्यारूच म्हाका दिसता आमचें हें गोंय माणकुलें गोंय आमी सांबाळपाक जाय.
So next step of the Congress will be protesting on the
No, the Congress and the united opposition. I do not want to divide. I am not here to divide. I feel that it is all of us together. We have to move together to save whatever little is there. This government doesn't understand any other language. He seems, last 8 days, the Chief Minister seems to be very active, super active, moving, trying to put things in order. So let us wait and watch. But म्हाका जरी तर ह्या सरकारा कडेन कसली आशा ना. म्हाका दिसता this government is full of corruption, and we have absolutely no assurances जे आमकां दिला. Let us wait and watch, but you will see definitely that we will be on the streets.
युरी बाबा तुम्ही युनायटेड ऑपोजिशन आसा सध्या कित्याक सांग जेन्ना विजय जेन्ना भोंवता तेन्ना तुमचे
I do not want to comment.
डिफरन्सीस
I do not want to comment on any individual. I believe if we divide among ourselves, the advantage goes to the BJP. It is very clear. In the past also, whichever party has divided, the advantage has gone to the BJP. On any personal individual, I will not comment. My role as leader of opposition is to take all the opposition parties together. I have done that in the assembly, and I will do it in the future, because according to me, if we divide ourselves, we will be back again in the opposition.
युरी बाबा पयर बागा एक मर्डर जालो आनी तातूंत टाउट्स आनी ड्रग्स इन्वॉल्व आशिल्ले. तुमकां दिसता की गोंयान आनी ड्रग्स आनी
हेच
टाउट्स
सांगेल मरे हांवें जेन्ना आमी प्रश्न केलो टुडे द पुलीस इट सेल्फ आर बिकम स्वयंपूर्ण इन ड्रग्स. इन द पुलीस स्टेशन द चीफ मिनिस्टर ड्युरिंग डिमांड्स डिड नॉट रिप्लाय. बागा हे सगळे पडे हाय. गोवा टुडे इज नोन एज अ ड्रग capital, is known as the gambling capital of our state. You look at this, all this here. What is all this? This is our culture. The children are watching us today. They are looking what is happening here as a casino or Big Daddy. This is not our culture. So Goa, we have to, what we were known as, is slowly changed into drug capital. This is the failure, murder capital, rape capital. Yes, and there are allegations. The police itself are पुलीस स्टेशन हे चलता मागीर आनी कितें उरना. हे नशा मुक्त गोंय पड मुखेल मंत्री सांगता हे नशा थिंगा जाता मरे हेडक्वॉर्टरान. नशा मुक्त गोंयान कितें जाता?
सो पुलिसूच प्रोटेक्ट करता तांकां.
100% there is a nexus. No, there is 100% a nexus. See, without politicians and bureaucrats, this cannot happen. And I believe that the police, we have full faith in them. They have to be given a free hand. कोण politician into involved आहे, कोण आहे त्यांना पहिले मुखेलमंत्र्यांनी एक्सपोज करून.
So how you see the statement of